For decades, Japan avoided combat drones, but quietly built one of the most advanced unmanned aviation programs in the world. This is the complete evolution of Japanese drones, from the 1960s to the future. Mitsubishi Target Drone. Japan's first unmanned aerial platforms were simple target drones developed for air defense training. These aircraft were radio-controlled, launched from ground systems, and used to simulate enemy targets for missile and interceptor tests. They marked Japan's entry into unmanned aviation during the Cold War. Fuji Heavy Industries' Target UAV, an improved generation of target drones with better stability and endurance. These UAVs were used extensively for weapons testing and pilot training. They reflected Japan's defensive military doctrine, focusing on readiness rather than combat deployment. TRDI Experimental Reconnaissance UAV, developed by Japan's Technical Research and Development Institute. This UAV represented a shift from targets to intelligence gathering. It carried optical sensors and transmitted real-time imagery, laying the foundation for Japan's future reconnaissance drone programs. Experimental Tactical Recon UAV Prototype Series, a series of tactical reconnaissance prototypes designed for battlefield and coastal surveillance. These UAVs introduced semi-autonomous flight modes and improved navigation, reflecting lessons learned from Western UAV development during the late Cold War. Fuji RPH-2, one of Japan's early unmanned helicopter platforms. The RPH-2 was designed for observation and experimental military use, offering vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. It helped Japan explore rotary-wing UAV operations. Yamaha RMAX, originally developed for agriculture. The Yamaha RMAX became one of the world's most successful unmanned helicopters. It was later adapted for military observation, logistics, and disaster response. RMAX proved Japan's strength in reliable, mass-deployed UAV systems. Yamaha FAZER R, a modern evolution of Yamaha's unmanned helicopter line. FAZER R features improved payload capacity, endurance, and autonomous control. It is used for surveillance, transport, and experimentation with military applications. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries' Recon UAV, a medium-sized reconnaissance UAV developed for maritime and island surveillance. Designed to integrate with Japan's naval and air forces, it supports long-endurance intelligence missions in the Pacific region. JAXA Experimental UAV, developed by Japan's aerospace agency. These UAVs focused on advanced flight control, autonomy, and aerodynamics. While not combat systems, they contributed critical technology for future military and stealth drone programs. ScanEagle, Japan-operated. Although foreign-designed, ScanEagle plays an important role in Japan's drone operations. Used primarily by maritime forces, it provides real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance for coastal and naval missions. RQ-4B Global Hawk, Japan-operated, a high-altitude, long-endurance strategic reconnaissance UAV. Operated by Japan for wide-area surveillance, Global Hawk allows continuous monitoring of large regions, dramatically enhancing Japan's early warning and intelligence capabilities. Loyal Wingman UAV, Japan program, part of Japan's next-generation air combat vision. This UAV is designed to fly alongside manned fighters. It can perform reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and potentially strike missions, controlled by AI and human pilots working together. Mitsubishi Stealth Combat UAV concept, a conceptual stealth combat drone featuring low radar visibility and internal weapon bays. Designed for autonomous or semi-autonomous operations, it represents Japan's move toward unmanned strike capability. X2 Shinshin UAV Derivative concept, based on Japan's stealth fighter demonstrator. This unmanned derivative explores high-performance stealth flight without a pilot. It serves as a testbed for sensors, AI decision-making, and future combat drone roles. Next-generation stealth UCAV, Japan's vision for a fully autonomous stealth combat drone. Designed to operate in contested airspace, conduct deep strike missions, and work in coordinated swarms. This platform represents the future of Japanese air power,